Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move a place on your map on the Dragon City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And click place and click to the move button at the lower right corner of the screen. And you can edit you can move this place. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.